Changeovers often feel like an unavoidable part of production, but they frequently hide significant untapped capacity. In this video, we explore how the SMED method can help you reclaim that time and reduce production losses. Every minute spent on a changeover is a minute where no product is being made. In high-mix plants, setup and adjustment represent major availability losses. By shortening these transitions, you can facilitate smaller batches and faster delivery. The SMED method, or single-minute exchange of die, works in 3 simple moves. First, separate internal setup tasks from external ones. Second, convert internal tasks to external ones that can happen while the machine is running. Finally, streamline and standardize the remaining tasks. To effectively shrink your changeover times, you must first measure them. Real-time tracking provides the necessary visibility into the duration and variation of your setups, allowing teams to identify and address the longest changeovers first. Data provides the proof needed for change. For example, at Hutchinson, implementing real-time visibility on production losses helped increase OEE on a single line from 47% to 72%. The same machines and the same people achieved significantly more output. It is time to turn your setup time into run time. Start by identifying where your changeover time is going so you can focus on shrinking the longest ones first. Visit our website to book a demo or subscribe for weekly insights on improving factory performance.